Okay students, we are continuing with our substitution lesson today. So even though I'm not around, I will be able to go through, review the concepts. So let's recall what we did yesterday. Working with reference to work example number 9 on page 300, we are given an equation whereby x is equals to 3t minus 6. So we are supposed to find out the actual value of this equation when t is equals to 5 for part A. So yesterday I've shown you, in order for us to put t into the equation, what we need to do is to put 3 bracket 5, because that's the value of t, minus 6 into the equation. And when we simplify, you have 3 times 5, which is 15, minus 6, and the end result is 9. I have also shared with you a common mistake for students. When you see 3t minus 6, that doesn't mean 3t is 35. That's wrong. Do remember that 3t is actually 3 times 3, which is 3 times 5 as the outcome. And it's not meant to be 3, 5, meaning 35. Moving on to example number 10, we have a situation whereby n is equals to 3 bracket 2x plus 3 close bracket x equals to 4. So we are supposed to substitute x equals to 4 into the equation. So how do we go about doing that? So since m is equals to this equation, 3 bracket 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3, and using Bodmer's rule again, remember whenever there's a bracket we have to solve bracket first. So we have 3 bracket 8 plus 3, which is 11. 3 times 11 is 33. So I hope you have a better understanding on substitution. And yesterday I think we touched a little bit on algebraic expression involving power. Okay, for example, we're going to find out the expression 2t cubed minus 4 when t equals to 2. So how do we go about solving this question? So we have to put it into brackets because of the power. So you have 2 bracket 2 to the power of 3. Bearing in mind this power of 3 belongs to this 2 and not 2t. Okay, do remember that. Minus 4. And then again we have 2 to the power of 3, which is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 bracket 8 minus 4, which is 16 minus 4, and the answer is 12. Okay, so I guess most of you should not have any issue with this this topic. Okay, let's go through the work in class for you now. Okay, you have 1D, part 3 and part 4. You have 2I, part 3 and part 4. Question number 4. Six, 7, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, you may stop the video now. Thank you.